Hey guys, welcome back. Nathan here from nathanargenta.com. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you my Fundrise review, my personal experience in using this real estate crowdfunding platform, and how you can simply get started with as little as $500 and build a real estate portfolio by using Fundrise. Now, before we get into the content of the video, real quick, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I talk about everything in marketing, entrepreneurship, and investing, all while helping you to take your life and your income to the next level. So if that sounds like you're interested in getting videos on those topics, I invite you to go ahead and click the subscribe button, as well as the bell notifications button to get updates of any time I come out with new videos here on my channel. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna jump on my computer. I'm gonna share with you the back end of my Fundrise account so you can see full access of basically what the platform is about, what you have access to as a user whenever you create an account and you start investing with Fundrise, just to help you get an overall view of just what you can expect in using the platform. And again, my experience and just how my portfolio has performed in just a couple months of being a user and an investor with Fundrise. All right, so let's go ahead and do that now, and we'll jump on my computer. Okay guys, so Nathan here. This is the Fundrise review. All right, what I'm going to share with you is, like I said, my dashboard, my back office, I guess, view of my account and investor platform with Fundrise. But real quick, just want to feature a few things with Fundrise on their website. So what it's focused on is building a more diversified, perfect portfolio through low-cost real estate investing. All right, so it gives you the ability to unlock a new world of investing with real estate. Historically, the returns through Fundrise are anywhere from about 8% to 12% historically, their annual returns with a diversified portfolio, whether it's a dozen different real estate assets, or maybe it's 100 plus real estate assets. You can diversify as much as you want based off the type of investment portfolio that you have, and I'll get to that here in a second, okay? But also it gives you the chance to maximize your returns with very little or very low management fees, all right, with their approach, okay? So multi-million dollar projects, you can add those to your portfolio, all right? And then also it just features some great reviews and feedback from investors, from customers of theirs that have had great experiences in using this platform and investing with Fundrise. All right, now the thing I wanted to show you real quick is the investments tab here. Okay, so ultimately when you get started with Fundrise, what you're going to do is you're going to pick 3 different portfolios. Okay, what it's going to do is you're going to get started with a minimum of $500, or you can obviously get started with more, but to get started it's a minimum of $500, and that gets you into the starter portfolio. Okay, it's the most popular choice for new investors, has free upgrades to the core portfolio, which is the middle tier portfolio, and it's really just broken down to these different segments of investing, and mine's through balanced investing. But anyways, the supplemental income, balanced investing, and long-term growth. Okay, so what it does is it just breaks down your portfolio and the plan that you have, the goals that you have based off if you want to get paid dividends, more dividends, less appreciation, and a good total return. For balanced investing, it's more it's a little bit less dividends, more appreciation, and a higher total return, or even less dividends for the long term, more appreciation, and a total overall growth and return on your investment. Okay, so that's kind of just how it's broken down. And then also there's this nice little feature that they have on the website of what a projected growth or value that you can receive as an investor with a $10,000 account. All right, if you're focused on supplemental income, balanced investing, which is the middle tier or the long one, that's the approximate range of what that return can have for your portfolio. Okay. All right, so here's the back end of my investor account with Fundrise. As you can see, my value right now is a little over $1,000 on my account, and I have the core portfolio, which is the middle tier balanced investing plan. All right, I started in October 2019, so like I said, it's been a few months, and ultimately this portfolio is for a balanced investing platform that's going to pay dividends. It's going to get that growth over time, the appreciation, and the overall long-term return on my investment for a growth plan. Okay, so it's the middle tier, it's balanced investing plan. That's the one I just feel like is good for me for right now. Now I started with $500 when I first started in October. Then I increased it to another 500 about around Thanksgiving, middle of November, late November. Okay, and I wanted to do that so I can get upgraded to the core portfolio through balanced investing. It gives you a more diversified portfolio, more real estate assets that you have in that portfolio. Because when I had first got started, it was around, I think it was like 16 or 18. But then when I increased it, it added up to total projects of, if I click on projects, 92 projects in my portfolio. Okay. And you know, it's incredible. I mean, the projects just keep coming in. The multiple different assets are getting added to my portfolio. Just had one here recently. This one looks like it's in Washington, DC. Okay. And you get constant emails, or when you're logged into your portfolio, you get, you know, updates of projects or new real estate assets that are acquired. This one was in Las Vegas. Okay. A new acquisition from our portfolio. One at the end of January was in Long Beach, California. Another one in Texas was early January. Another one is Austin area, so that's in Texas as well. Some apartments, that was in December. So again, the list goes on and on. They give you multiple different updates of new projects and new real estate assets being added to your portfolio, which is incredible. This dividends tab just goes and shows you the dividends that you've earned or been paid. I got paid a dividend, you know, for Q4 because that's when I started my portfolio in October, like I said, of 2019. So that was my dividend. But I have my plan to reinvest those dividends. So I'm not taking those as commissions or money earned. I'm reinvesting it in my portfolio, which is going to help with that compound effect over time. Okay, and then reinvesting it into multiple different assets. Now, currently, right now, at the moment, I'm not actively investing. Something you can do is you can multiply your account over time by depositing money into this account monthly, as if you were investing in like dividend shares or stocks or a retirement account. You know, you can be doing that monthly. It's not something I'm doing right now with this account, but it's something that I may be interested in doing at a later date. But I just wanted to share, you know, how it's performed and that it's actually made a return on my investment so far to date. So, and then looking at really ultimately overall, my portfolio, like I said, is really broken down into multiple different positions and sectors, and this just breaks it down for you even more when you go to the portfolio tab and just shows you the total growth, how it's broken down by different positions and the percentages of those shares, or the percentages of that amount that you have in your account, and how it's broken down. So really, that's pretty much it. I mean, like I said, it's ultimately, it's worked out great for me. I've seen returns, obviously, with my investments. It's a balanced long-term growth strategy. So it's focused on building that growth, getting dividends and reinvesting those dividends, and just building that compound effect over time. So it is an alternative to like real estate investing. It's an alternative to stock investing through REITs. So just another way for you to invest in real estate and see good quality returns long term. All right. So I definitely recommend Fundrise if you are looking to get started in using this platform, looking and another way to possibly get into real estate without having tons and tons of capital in real estate, or putting tons of money into an apartment complex or housing, and the risks involved with that. Obviously, this has risks too, but just a lower cost way for you to get invested. Real estate crowdfunding seems like it's a pretty viable and legit option. So I mean, it's working well for me right now. So definitely, like I said, I recommend Fundrise. If you are looking to get started, I highly recommend it. And I hope you receive value from this video. All right, so that concludes my Fundrise review. Now, if you see value in this platform in using real estate crowdfunding as a way to invest in the real estate industry, in the real estate market, I highly recommend that you invest with Fundrise by using my link in the description, okay? The reason for that is by using my refer a friend link, what it's gonna do is it helps support my channel, but ultimately what it does is it gives you 90 days of free investing in their real estate platform, in their portfolio. So you get 90 days commission free of them managing these projects for you and just paying you dividends, paying you shares and liquidation of those assets that you have a partial ownership over. So again, that's free commission of commission free of your management fees of your portfolio that basically Fundrise is going to give you for free for 90 days. So by using my refer a friend link, it gives you 90 days for free. It also gives me an additional 90 days for free for my portfolio as well. So we're helping each other, and again, it supports my channel to continue to make videos like this to help people with investing and just entrepreneurship and taking their wealth and their income to the next level. So again, if you did receive value from this video, get started with Fundrise. Use my link in the description. Also, let me know in the comments. Leave me a comment below. Smash the like button. Share this with someone that you think would receive value, that would also maybe be interested in investing in real estate but don't have the capital, $10, $20, $100,000 or more to get started and invest in traditional real estate, but by using crowdfunding as a platform to invest in real estate. All right. Last but not least, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notifications button to get updates of any time I come out with new videos like this here on my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.